Hey everyone, we're the Master Brothers, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to take off your Tesla Aero wheel covers.
And also how to put them back on. So let's get into it. So to remove the Aero wheel covers, grab onto a section of it and start pulling.
Yep, and what I do is I put my thumbs on the metal or on the rubber or on the actual tire itself to give myself some leverage to get it off, because it can be quite stiff and firm, especially if it's the first time you're taking it off.
Yeah, what I found is it does get a bit looser the more and more you take it off and put it on, so it will get easier over time.
So go around the wheel, taking it section by section until the wheel cover just comes off. And if a side keeps popping back in as you take the opposite side out, try taking off a different section or try and get someone else's help to hold the section opposite to the one that you're doing.
Once you've removed all of the covers, you can start putting on the wheel cap kit, but we decided to clean the alloys with just a brush and some water.
Yeah, so the wheel cap kit that we got cost £15 and we just got it from Amazon. And that was a much better deal than the £45 it would be from Tesla's website. And to be honest, it looks like it's actually exactly the same thing. And there's one in America as well that like covers the whole center bit, but I think that it looks so ugly. And that's $60 as well, so this is a great option. £15, does a great job. So we'll leave a link for that in the description if you want to check it out.
Yeah, it only took about a week to arrive from China, which isn't bad. It was worth the wait.
Now the alloys do look really good without the wheel covers on there, but it will cost you a bit in terms of range. We recently did a cold weather trip and you can check out the video for that, there'll be a card up here. But what we found was that the Aero wheel covers have a really significant impact on the efficiency of the car. So check out that video if you want to find out more about that.
Yeah, the covers do make a massive difference, but I think the alloys just look a lot sportier and I quite liked it.
Yeah, it's the trade-off if you really want that extra little bit of range or if you want the slightly improved aesthetic.
For daily driving, it won't be much of an issue, but you probably want to put the covers back on if you're planning on going on long journeys.
So the lug nut covers go on quite easily, but it is a snug fit, so you don't have to worry about them flying off while you're driving. The center cap is a very tight fit and it was quite fiddly to get it in, so you do have to use a bit of force, and I kind of just use my whole palm to actually like get it on, because otherwise it would come in one side and come out the other side. So a bit of a faff, but yeah, once it's in, it stays in there. So now we'll explain how to take it off if you do want to put your Aero covers back on.
So before you put on the Aero wheel covers, you do need to remove the lug nut covers and the center cap.
The lug nut covers are really easy to remove, and with that kit that we've linked, you get a little lever device and you just put that in and it's got two little hooks and then you squeeze and pull it out. Comes out quite nicely.
It's kind of like child chopsticks.
Now the center cap, it was a faff to get on and it's a bit of a faff to get out, but the best way to do it is to use a suction cup, and that kind of just fits on, the one that we've got, it fits on perfectly, and then you just pull it straight out. So we'll leave a link to those in the description as well if you want to check those out. Once the lug nut cover and the center cap have been removed, we'd recommend you to clean the alloy before putting the actual Aero cover back on, because if there's any dirt on the alloy or on the clips, that can damage the alloy itself because it'll like scratch it because of the friction. So yeah, just clean off the alloy before sticking the covers back on.
Once the alloys are clean, it's super easy to put the Aero cover back on. All you need to do is align the cutout for the valve stem on the cover with the actual valve stem on the wheel, and then you just push it in until it all clips into place.
It's also always good to press around the cover and kind of make sure that it's in there fully, because if it's not in there fully and you drive off, you might completely lose it.
Yeah, if you hit like a pothole and it's not clipped in properly, it might pop off or something.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment section below which one you prefer, the alloy wheels or the Aero wheel covers.
Also, check us out on Instagram and Twitter, where Millen posts loads of really aesthetic pictures that he takes with some pretty cool camera gear.
Thanks.
From the Master Brothers, we'll catch you on the flippity flip.